What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to another video. I just had to battle myself for a good 15 minutes just to drag myself into the garage and get some work done. Today we are doing the braided stainless steel brake line upgrade for the E36. I actually got the rear ones as well, but we're probably not going to do this today. But we for sure going to be doing the fronts because, well, for one, these are way better than the stock rubber ones. This will give you a little harder feeling on the brake pedal, and these are actually extended for drift cars. So if you think about it, the stock brake lines are designed for normal steering angle, and to cut down the cost, obviously they're not going to give you a lot of extra material. And for a drift car, once you put a steering angle on the car, you'll realize that the stock brake lines are not long enough. And that's a serious safety hazard. So yeah, I'd like to live a couple more years. Anyways, let's put these on. Oh, and before we start this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And after you watch the video, leave a comment. Thank you. Now, you can either do the top line first or the bottom line first. While we're already here, let's do the bottom line first. For this one, all you need is a 14mm wrench. And I'll get some towel down there because for sure I'm gonna make a mess. Alright, now this is loose. Oh, it's already started leaking. Look. Yeah, see what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm gonna leave the towel over here and then let's move on to the top. So for the top, you actually need an 11mm wrench to loosen that up. Go. It is dripping a little bit, but it's all good. Alright. A lot of fluid. Ooh. Right. And now let's bust out the new line. Even though I said to uninstall it, it doesn't matter which side you loosen up first. But for the new line, you have to install it onto the caliper first. Now we tighten it up. Once you're done with the bottom, route the line from behind the coilover and then attach it to the top. And to properly tighten it up, get a 16mm wrench or a 5/8 inch wrench, put it at the bottom, then an 11mm wrench on top, and we're done. And for the last step, we're just going to attach this to here, which is the back side of the coilover, just to secure the brake line in place. Get a dab of grease, grease it up, and then just wiggle it in. There you go. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.